Lagot ka din. May ebidensya na to.
This afternoon is for us to get together, know each other again. Sana nga ba tayo ano ba nangyari sa magbuhay natin? Get acquainted once again to enjoy the day. Tama ba? Ako! Wala nakikinig ata. So, magandang hapon ulit sa ating lahat. Sana mag-enjoy tayong lahat. Salamat. So, to open, sana yung ating operator. May I please request you to please stand for our invocation to be followed by the singing of our and also that's 83 kami. So, duration kami. Anyway, I'm an alumnus of Silicat High School. That's 70. Kaya session 1 pa rin tayo. Kaya nandiyan din mga duration natin ng faculty, si Engineer Chris, Engineer Atilano, kasama natin yung St. Louis. Kasi almost all even Engineer Di Malanta before our previous dean, Batch 84 din yan siya, kasama ni Engineer, our very own CEO. And so actually, sa department, okay, I will start with the Civil Engineering Department headed by our Dean, okay, Engineer Ernesto D. Moranda. He is also the pioneer faculty of the College of Engineering. The department chair is actually Engineer Joey Paredes, but he is downstage. Okay. I don't know. Sabi niya, siya na lang daw mag-asher na magdarating pa. Kaya pala, rampak na lang yung corruption sa Pilipinas. Yes. At after a while daw, you know, the person from UP lumabas ko dahil yung CR daw, hindi na siya bumalik. But today, the story of CSU is different. Okay? It's good that most of you discuss about values. We don't want to produce graduates who occupy positions in government with unquestionable reputation and character. Ha? Ang gandang pakinggan, CSU graduate yan. Why? Marunong mamurako. Ha? Ang sarap pakinggan. Pero pag sinabi niya, CSU yan. Why? Napakagaling. Napakalis ng trabaho, napakasipag, di ba? Masaya tayo lahat. So still, I believe that the values that you learn from the College of Engineering is up to nakita. When you graduate from the university and you enter an organization, there are only two things to happen. For you to adapt the practices of that organization, or for that organization to adapt your practices, I hope it's the later one. Okay? And of course, secondly, I've been telling this to my students, when time comes that there is a reunion, only those who are successful will attend. Why? Because some are ashamed. But of course not. The measurement of success is not money. Of course, one thing is money. The thing that we know is, if you are rich, you are the most successful. But of course, some will claim that they are very successful. It's because they have attained a certain degree of prestige, or they have attained a certain position, or they have attained a certain status wherein they have helped others. The only thing with us is we measure success using how much we have. Okay? Well, let's accept it. You are not very successful, it's okay.
Takaw mo.
Conserva lang. Pero